let's look at Pumpkin Boogie. So in here we have a jazz rhythm, starting with the left hand on bass C, my right hand thumb on middle C. Here's how it goes. Repeat. And let's begin with the right hand first, onto middle C. So I have thumb on C, D, and E flat with fingers 2 and 3. So how I play that rhythm is like this. Peanut and butter. One more time. Peanut and butter. Let's go back and try from the beginning. Peanut and butter. Next page. Cross over. 1 and 3 together. C minor chord. And same rhythm. Peanut and butter. Let's go an octave higher. Peanut and butter. And another octave higher. Let's go to the left hand now. Thumb on the bass C. So my thumb goes here, my 2 goes on the B flat, 3 goes on the A flat. Hold this down. Hold, hold, repeat. Next, same pattern. One more. Cross the 4 over, go up the scale. Let's move the thumb up to B. B flat, tuck your thumb under A flat. Do it again. B flat, A flat. Shift the thumb down to C. Again. Another round. And then go down to the lowest C on the piano. Jump.